I'm not liking what Nike. Like to the Jaguar thing, it had a backlash, and I feel they deserved that backlash because it is just you. I want to hear your opinion.
डू यू थिंक कि जो नीड ब्रांडिंग या ग्राफिक डिज़ाइनर की पहले थी वो आज के जनरेशन में है? बिकॉज आई विल सीइंग अ लॉट ऑफ ब्रांड्स जो खुद को रीब्रांड कर रहे हैं बिकॉज दे आर फोकसिंग मोर ऑन देयर मार्केटिंग साइड और ब्रांडिंग साइड। रिसेंटली जैगवार वन ऑफ देम, हर कोई रीब्रांड कर रहा है खुद को। सो डू यू थिंक कि वो कंपैरिजन है? पहले कोई इतना फोकस नहीं करता था अपने ब्रांडिंग ओवरऑल एस्पेक्ट पे, बट अभी बहुत ज़्यादा फोकस हो रहा है। सो डू यू थिंक कि वो चेंज है?
There, I don't know, but Jaguar is like a one-off thing which has happened like drastically, and people have not taken it nicely. And honestly, I mean, we also discussed it, right?
Yes.
Like, I was like, I mean, कुछ जरूरत नहीं था.
Mm.
It's very difficult, man. Like, it's a very personal opinion. Now, whatever you say, if I say something now about Jaguar, then that will be my opinion, and I'll be considered a person like that.
Mm.
या भाई जज ही करना है, मतलब लोगों तो को बात करना ही है.
Mm.
Like everybody wants to bitch about something, no?
Mm.
And it could be like a healthy conversation, but then that becomes like, "Arey, he just keeps talking about."
Mm.
Everybody talks about all the things. Like if you are a designer, you will probably get butthurt looking at that logo saying कि
Mm.
अरे मैं भी कर सकता था, मुझे भी. Then we look at that angle कि हाँ मुझे, if you are paying so much to a person or an
Mm.
agency like that, why can't we get paid, or why should not the right people get paid?
Mm.
The thing is, right people should be at the right place,
Mm.
and for that you have to keep trying. Like maybe I have like 2000 odd people on my social media or on my IG. That doesn't mean like I have a upper hand or I'm more superior than you because you have like 600. There is somebody who has like a 10k or 1 million or whatever. Is it all that defines us?
Nope.
उससे कुछ होगा क्या? It's not like that. And then yeah, rebranding, like a lot of people now, even small brands are taking it, right? Even before reaching Jaguar, you look at like all these homegrown brands,
Mm.
they want to emphasize or they want to stand out in a certain way. Like even Campus thought of rebranding themselves,
Mm.
and eventually क्या किया उन्होंने, मतलब वो ऐसा लगता है कि नाइकी का swoosh
Mm.
मेल्ट हो गया है.
Mm. Correct.
We got to be at the right places now. I
Mm.
wish I could get these kind of leads, but then you're not getting. Why am I not getting that lead? Because I don't have good networking.
Mm.
और हम सिर्फ भौंक नहीं सकते ना, तुमको करना भी पड़ेगा ना. So it's very personal kind of thing. But coming back to the Jaguar thing, it had a backlash, and I feel they deserved that backlash because it is just you. I want to hear your opinion, like a very simple and unfiltered thing.
Mm.
More,
आई थिंक कि मोर देन आइडेंटिटी उनको अटेंशन चाहिए था। आई फील दिस इज व्हाट आई फील। एंड नाउ अगर आप देखोगे, सो इवन दो अ पर्सन इज नॉट अ फैन ऑफ कार्स और जो इतना अपडेटेड नहीं रहता है, उसको पता है अभी कि जैगवार ने कुछ किया है। सो वी कैन कॉल इट अ बैड मार्केटिंग। मतलब देयर इज अ टर्म कॉल्ड एज बैड मार्केटिंग और रॉन्ग मार्केटिंग, नेगेटिव मार्केटिंग सॉरी। सो वे यू मेक योर रिव्यूज, लाइक जो भी तुम्हारा प्रोडक्ट है तुम फॉल्स रिव्यूज बनाओगे इसका, सो इन समहाउ यू विल गेट लाइक मार्केटिंग काइंड ऑफ थिंग। I think this was their motive, but even though they have launched their car model EV1, it was looking very good, and according to the type they used, it was going very well. So अगर आप सिर्फ लोगों को ऐसे देखोगे, so as a designer I would say कि ये क्या है, क्या बनाया है। हाँ।
पर
So
वही गाड़ी पे उनका जुना लोगो पे चल जाता था ना. My question is that.
I don't think so because
नहीं.
नहीं, because
The type maybe not. Emblem maybe. Emblem तो वो लोग ने
emblem
रखा
is,
है.
हाँ emblem is उनका evergreen।
Bro, मतलब अभी Mercedes
Hmm.
ने भी बनाया है ईवी,
हम्म,
BMW ने भी बनाया है ईवी, तो उन्होंने उसके लिए टाइपफेस चेंज किया क्या? What is
not
your,
really.
I mean, the whole point is कि why do you want to change an identity for a product line?
It's
And
not
their focus was also on a lot of other things, which will be a topic of discussion some other time.
जो BMW and Mercedes का आपने बोला, they are doing just EV as a part, right? Jaguar ने announce किया they are going
Full EV.
fully EV.
And you know, Audi ने चाइना में लॉन्च किया EV, only EV thing, so they have changed the type for the
Okay.
Audi. हाँ, so I think we Jaguar भी वैसे कर सकता था, only for specific EV they can create some another
हाँ,
type
तुम
or
लोग
something
अलग
like that.
से कराओ, मतलब
But I don't
I
think
mean, I'm just like, it's just imagine this. You, whatever the backlash is, imagine people going and selling this. Like, it's like a salute to them. Like, they sold this concept and Jaguar bought it.
Bought it for millions of dollars.
हाँ, तो हमारे धंधे, मतलब for us as a professional, be it anybody, it could be like a marketing. कौन है agency?
no idea.
No
I think
idea.
वो उनका in-house है.
नहीं इन हाउस नहीं है, I don't think so. हाँ but ऐसे
इन हाउस होगा तो भी कैसे, मतलब
इन हाउस होगा तभी बिका रहेगा ना, मतलब कोई एजेंसी.
अगर इन हाउस, मतलब किसी ने तो एग्जीक्यूशन किया रहेगा ना, मतलब दिस इज अगेन
In-house
देन.
है.
इन हाउस है.
हाँ,
Jerry McGovern, the chief creative officer at Jaguar.
व्हाट इज यू हैव एनी बैकग्राउंड, लाइक डिजाइन बैकग्राउंड है उनका, तो उन्होंने ही लोगों, तो बस ना, तो फिर क्या हुआ, हाँ, हम एजेंसी को क्यों ये कर रहे हैं, तो यू जस्ट, इट्स अ कंपनी कॉल, नो, इट शुडंट बी. मेरा घर है, मैं कैसे भी कलर करूं.
हाँ करेक्ट.
पर ऐसा मैंने सुना कि उनको कमेंट्स वगैरह डिलीट करने पड़ रहे हैं उनके पोस्ट
हाँ
के.
वो सब तो करोगे
उन्होंने कंटेंट वगैरह थोड़ा कम किया है जो भी डाला हुआ था.
But I'm looking at his background and he's 68 years old and जितने भी like Range Rover, Range Rover Sport, Range Rover, Evoque, Defender, Discovery, for all of these models he has designed. So
He's an automobile designer.
yeah, he's the creative director. Who's the
So he was a part, like
Yeah.
he was leading the teams maybe.
yeah, this guy. So
Salam,
like
नमस्ते. For me, turtleneck game over हो गया.
driving but I think that justifies what the reasoning. मेरे को लगता है ऐसे ही हवे हवे में नहीं किया. There
हाँ.
must be some solid
Reasoning.
reasoning behind this that we are just not ready to see it.
Maybe they are launching it step by step. We don't know what you
I
got.
don't know, but then going full EV, I feel bad for Land Rover.
आपको लगता है fully भी हो जाएगा within the next 10 years?
But Land Rover and this thing is a completely different. It's a different brand, no?
JLR is Jaguar Land Rover एक है. It's a part of Jaguar.
अलग हो जाएंगे.
But what are they gonna do with the normal Jaguars? Okay.
सस्ते में OLX पे बेच देंगे.
And फिर अगर EV में completely switch करे, so I don't know इंडिया में कितना scope है for now, because
Dude, as far as my knowledge, I don't think another 10-15 years. There are अपना infrastructure set हो जाएगा. So not a big fan of EV. I mean, eventually there will be a saturation of everything. So whatever you're using for the, as batteries and all, when they say, like I'm not like a big car buff or something like that, but I still love the petrol and diesel smell.
Great.
आवाज तो आना
I
चाहिए
mean
ना.
वो experience matter करता है.
जैसे
वो
आप बोल रहे हो
आवाज.
ना like आपको अच्छा लगता है. You like the feel of
Yeah, I
driving an
mean,
engine and a
yes,
petrol car.
yeah. And then I don't know, like, are we really disturbing the environment? Like, there are a lot of other things to look at. हो जाएगा, अभी होगा, पर बहुत है. I mean, lot of other simple things should happen first, no? Like, मतलब हाँ हाँ, लाइक बहुत गंदा मेरे पास ये है, मुहावरा है।
सर रहने दो,
नहीं नहीं,
लेट इट गो।
so like we have to get basic stuff correct first, and then think of going full EV and all. लोग बेचारे जाएंगे किधर, रास्ते में अटक गए, फैमिलीज अटक गए, there are no charging stations, not the ones which are like immediately charge हो गई है. lot of
Time consuming.
thinking should go through all this. I'm sure they will. That's why it's not fully right. Like what is the percentage of, we see a lot of EVs here. I see a lot of EVs on express highway also. So it'll happen gradually, but then full EVs बहुत टाइम है, देख लेंगे तभी.
Even Kia also जा रहे हैं ना full
हाँ,
EV.
फुल EV धीरे धीरे.
There this thing it was taken.
यहाँ हो रहा है क्या?
नहीं, not yet.
यहाँ तो थोड़ा टाइम, यहाँ तो बहुत टाइम लगेगा considering everything.
See, like Maruti went, Skoda went completely petrol. They are not doing diesel. They'll do only petrol. So in our family, we are used to like more diesel cars for long distance traveling and everything. पर हो रहा है, change हो रहा है ना. A lot of things are happening.
So you have been teaching branding for a lot of time, and what do you think कि branding का definition क्या होता है? Because for me, like जब मैंने start किया था तो मैंने बस था कि बस logo design कर लेंगे, हो गया branding हो गया. So this is what misconception happens among our young generation कि यार logo design कर लेते हैं, बस किसी ने बोला कि we are getting paid 18K for logo, 20K for logo, तो कर लेते हैं. तो but होता क्या exactly branding?
Obviously, it is beyond the logo, right? Like you are, अभी हम लोग ने brand manual पे काम किया है, और सब लोग like even after like going through every point कि you know तुम्हारा brand mission क्या है, like you said, apart from that symbol and the name, there are a lot of things that go into the particular brand. So ये सब को सब evaluate करने के बाद you decide कि okay, this is a brand, you know what it stands for, brand mission, like what is the brand going to do, brand positioning. Like you take a product, maybe it has a lot of competitors, then you find something unique about it, maybe it is not, but we create that environment, or we create that ambience, or we create those particular elements, say कि okay, like there are like 10 razors, but then this is the best razor out of all the 10 razors because हम लोग ने फलाना ढिमकाना ये technology use किया है. Yeah, then we differentiate with price point of view. It's a very broader this thing. Like once you start, have you not realized कि once we did branding that we said कि नहीं, हम लोग एक लोगो के बियॉन्ड तो जाता ही है. वो प्रोडक्ट कुछ भी हो, और वो प्रोडक्ट नहीं, वो सर्विस भी हो सकता है. सो ब्रांड इज समथिंग दैट sells or develops an emotion your consumer base. Like remember we had seen that thing, हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, Nike is not selling shoes, it is selling motivation. McDonald's is not selling junk food, it is selling happiness. I don't know how. Happiness with a lot of cholesterol. Like if you look at some, like even Abu Dhabi has become a brand now. What Abu Dhabi is selling an experience, right? Like उधर जाके क्या माती खाएगा क्या? नहीं ना. You will go see a lot of. It's about it can be anything, and it can be any. Tomorrow you can become a brand. Siddharth can become a brand. You two working together. हम लोग वो पॉडकास्ट का डिस्कस कर रहे थे, और अपना बियर बाइसेप वाला TRS, no? It's a brand.
मतलब बना दिया उसने.
Is he selling any product? No. He's doing podcast, right? But then he has viewers for it, right? अपना समय रैना. Is he selling a brand? No. But he has a subscription module for his show, right? And he's making money out of it. अभी के लिए अभी बहुत सारा चीज से तुम लोग पैसे जनरेट करते हो, and then you can position it or you can call it a brand. Like it can be a module, it can be a service, it can be anything. Does it answer that?
Hmm.
I mean,
Yeah.
question.
So what do you think? आपका ऐसा कोई फेवरेट ब्रांड है जिसको आप ऐसे यू थिंक कि ओवरऑल ब्रांडिंग से ज्यादा व्हाट डू यू थिंक ऐसे कोई फेवरेट
तेरे को भी मालूम है. Like
बचपन में फेवरेट कलर, अभी फेवरेट ब्रांड.
नहीं dude, ऐसा नहीं है. Like I have this very weird fascination like towards Nike. But then you realize कि बाद में तुम लोगों को पता चलता है कि I still like that brand. But then now you, for example, you look at the sneaker scene or you look at the sneaker culture, it's freaking overcooked. I'm not liking what Nike is doing. Like you are bringing out overpriced shoes or you are just creating a hype. They are right in their place. There's nothing wrong about it. So it's how you associate yourself. Like it was Michael Jordan tongue out, dunking the ball, and his aura. ये जो सब अभी
Words
जनरी
आ
टर्म्स
गए.
आ रहा है ना, ये सब
Aura.
पहले ना देख चुका है. मतलब
ऐसे कोई स्पेसिफिक
90s
वर्ड
में.
नहीं था बट वो ऐसे
नहीं वो मतलब it's been done this. But people have taken photos like this and अरे कौन निकाला फोटो? And then now it is called a selfie. तो मेरा श्रीलंका का एक दोस्त था. मैं थोड़ा ना नार्सिसिस्ट हूँ. मतलब ऐसा नार्सिसिस्ट मतलब ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि मैं हिटलर. तो I used to take a lot of pictures, dude. Like हाँ मैंने नया शर्ट लिया तो फोटो. वो बोला ऐसा ऐसा सब अलग अलग एंगल से फोटो निकाला. बोला अरे उसने मुझे लाइक बहुत पहले मैसेज किया. तो बोला dude, you used to take photos like this and then nobody knew who took the pictures and now they are called selfies. I'm like, look what world we are living in. So these are been like you look at some dance moves, they have been done before. Songs, they had those beats. It's just that they were popular for a certain time and then now they have become global hits. So we are always doing something which has been done before. But what is more important is how originally we are doing. It's not like we are taking inspiration,
correct.
but we are not per se copying it. So Nike has also evolved itself. The way they became a big brand. उन्हें शू डॉग पढ़ रहा है ना. तो the very few books like I said कि I have read. तो ऐसे दानिश को बोला कि तू पढ़ना है तो पढ़ ले. That was like I was recommended by someone कि भाई तेरे को so it's a random person na. So like he reads a lot of books and all. He's like अरे you like shoes no? Yeah. So he's like you like Nike also right? So when I was working with Nike right like 2010 to like that is my bragging thing but it's just like I feel कि how long I should brag about it. So like no designer had worked in India with Nike before. But there was no Instagram that time. So like I made so when we did Bleed Blue, right? It killed the market. एक तो इंडिया वर्ल्ड कप जीता 2010 2011 and then we sold all the merchandise. 95% का कुछ तो सेल था before and after India winning the World Cup. So I had done an express line for them. It was completely with cricket. So there was one theme which was inspired by Walking Dead का comic था. तो वो comic theme पे मैंने एक design किया था. And then limbu mirchi का एक ये किया था. So I have all those books and everything. I'll show you all. I think I showed it to minor track का kids. इसमें मेरा जवानी का फोटो होता है.
आपने मुझे वो नाइकी वाला बताया था एक बार.
वो ब्रांड बुक दिखाया था.
हाँ वो नाइकी वाला बताया था.
There's this full ad and there are people. So Vice करके एक channel है मालूम है क्या?
सुना है.
It's a very good, like a very pro kind of, like very proactive new age media. So they cover a lot of different stories.
ऐसा है क्या उसका?
नहीं, Vice, V.
Okay.
हाँ. तो उन्होंने किया था. So they had got their crew and everything. So for them also it was like a new thing. अरे क्या cricket. Like they said like it's bigger than Super Bowl. When you compare the numbers also, So US and all is great at hyping things. That's why they are growing more. They are like developing a lot of new things, trend wise and all, because they know how to hype things, or they know how to promote, or push right products at the right time. What is needed, that kind of stuff. तो वो नाइकी का जब भी हुआ था तभी मुझे ऐसा लगा था, वाओ वाओ, वो आया ना मीम,
हाँ,
वाओ
wow.
वाओ,
हाँ,
तो मुझे ऐसा लगा। और अभी देखता हूँ, शी शी, मतलब और तू जाएगा, यू विल क्रैक एवरीथिंग डूड, सब करेगा,
हम्म,
फिर क्या करेगा उसके बाद? अभी ये हो गया अभी, and then somebody will follow up, no? So it's not like there are a lot of different artists now.
कैसे था आपका ये पॉडकास्ट? कैसे
मस्त
लगा?
मजा आया मेरे को।
अब आपने पहली बार किया ना ये?
Like now this thing will get edited and then publish मत, पहले मुझे देखना है।
नेट पे मेरा तो नहीं है।
हाँ, ये मैं तो करूँगा। आर्काइव करूँगा।
I'll see you in the court.